Good morning, January the 5th. Today we are getting to know the final category of embrace, the Ingenuity Workshop. This is your practical toolkit of skills and tips to make your life easier. The fifth message is familiar to many, but it is so important that it's worth pausing to reflect on. Eat that frog. This metaphor by Tracy means complete the hardest or most unpleasant task first. Why does it work? In the morning, our mind is fresh. Our will is at its strongest, and we have plenty of energy for all. Finishing the task frees us from background stress. We no longer waste energy worrying that it still has to be done. We gain freedom. By completing a difficult task, we get a powerful boost of motivation for the whole day, because the hardest part is already behind us. In other words, we get a dopamine hit. Often, we tend to put off exactly that kind of task, and it becomes a source of constant pressure. I suggest you start implementing this skill with these steps. Identify your frog the night before. If it's too big, break it down into small steps. Start your morning with it, without being distracted by trifles. I believe in everyone. Let's reduce the causes of stress together with Ingenuity Workshop from Advanced Embrace.